In the shop today, we've got a new Tacoma TRD that is getting a ReadyLift SST kit on there, some fuel wheels, and some BFG tires. So should turn out pretty good here. As you see, the Tacoma is out of the shop. So like I said, this has a ReadyLift SST 3.2 kit on it. It's got the fuel vectors in all black and the 17-inch, and then we've got the BFG KO2s and a 331150 on there. So this is a perfect setup for these. We do this all the time. I keep this kit in stock. The wheels and tires are usually pretty easy to get for this. I mean, you're into this kit for under $4,000 installed on there. Most of the time it depends on the wheels and tires you choose, but pretty inexpensive for these, and we do a ton of them. So easy to do, quick turnaround, and I keep the parts in stock. We'll talk to you guys next time.